Hi, Stefano Molea here, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. So what exactly does a criminal defense lawyer do? You might have some vague idea based on TV shows or movies, but in this video I want to discuss what our role is in our criminal justice system as a whole. First, though, let me describe the difference between a public defender and a private or retained criminal defense lawyer. Because the Supreme Court has held that everyone charged with a crime has a right to legal representation, the Public Defender's Office provides criminal defense lawyers to those who cannot afford to hire their own. If a person qualifies for the Public Defender's Office, they will have a lawyer randomly assigned to them to represent them. In some instances, when there might be a conflict, the Public Defender's Office won't represent a defendant, and the case either goes to a conflicts office, such as the alternate public defender, or the multiple conflicts office. Depending on the case, at least in San Diego County, there could also be an attorney that's not directly employed by the county, that's part of the Office of Assigned Counsel, that is randomly appointed by the court. Then there's a private or retained lawyer that a defendant or potential defendant may wish to choose and hire. This channel has a few videos on things to look for when hiring a private criminal defense lawyer, so check those out as well. But fundamentally, the way I see my role as a private criminal defense lawyer is that I protect the rights of a person suspected or accused of a crime. Because the presumption of innocence, the government has the burden of proving each and every element of a crime beyond a reasonable doubt. And one of my jobs is to protect this burden. That means that I keep the government's power in check by making sure that the very high bar that the prosecution must meet is not lowered or tilted in any way. My job is also to make sure that the police obey the Constitution, and when they don't, that my client's rights are asserted. So that's my job, and it's one that I'm very passionate about. Hope this helps provide some context and perspective on what it means to be a criminal defense lawyer and the various types. If you have any questions, give me a call. Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense attorney, 619-295-3555.